Well, here we are again. Thanks to you guys, this has been a popular segment here on Bapetown, comparing actual Bape and Bape from other websites. We've done Amazon.
What the hell was that?
And Temu.
Y'all trying to kill me?
Today, we'll be looking through one of the OG online retail sites, Aliexpress, and see where this one lands in our tier list. So let's jump right on into it.
Check it, now shake your body, move your body, orera teriyaki, voice hajimari, kimi no tanimari, otome ga iki, soshite tachimachi, yotto move like a ninja, so minna.
Alright, let's see what we got. Item number 1 is...
What the fuck?
That's right. This one's an interesting one. Give me a sec to put this one on. Well, here's the first item.
Damn it, same shit, different day.
The Bape Shark, a Bathing Ape Apron. You know, I never reviewed any, but Bape has done a couple of aprons in the past. First camo, the neighborhood collab, the Coke collab. I've always noticed this, and maybe you guys as well, with non-official Bape items. Always using that other brand's shark mouth. Yeah, I guess they are a bit similar, so it could cause some confusion.
Man, look at, man, hell no.
Print quality is not very good. Really blurry. The camera actually makes it look better. As for materials, not too bad. Stitching is pretty solid. They sure do love silky materials though. Now you're probably thinking, why did I cop this one? I'm not sure if the number's accurate, but they sold over 2,000 of them.
How do you do that? How do you do that? What the hell is going on?
At the end of the day, is it something that you can wear in the kitchen, cook, or maybe do some craftsman work? Oh yeah, for sure. Is it Bape?
Hey!
Okay, next up. The ABC Camo Pink. Huh? Well, look at that. You get double the shark. That's kind of cool, I guess. Huh. Why do they look kind of small? Okay, no tag. I copped a large, and these are S.
If this is you, you better lower your motherfucking tone when you talking to me.
So, we got the ABC Camo Pink Shark basketball shorts. And obviously, not ABC Camo Pink. As for the shark face though, much better than the apron, that's for sure. Yeah, it's closer. Material-wise, actually not too bad. Feels like any other nylon material basketball shorts, but maybe on the thinner side. But again, print quality, you can see the black colors kind of smeared. Yeah, other than that though, print quality and wrong sizing, definitely still a wearable pair of shorts. But are they Bape though?
I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time.
How about we do a big item next? I'm actually excited for this one. the Aliexpress Triple White Vapesters. Okay, I'm just gonna leave these right here for a sec so we can all take a good look at them. Way better than Amazon.
Cut the show. I'm done.
This is actually a legit Air Force One. Now you can definitely see the differences. Leather quality, you have the regular leather from Aliexpress, and from Bape, the premium calf mixed with the tumbled leather. Now I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit unfair, because these triple whites were for the 30th anniversary, so they would have elevated the material. If I had maybe the very early all-white Vapesters back in the day, it would have been closer to this. Maybe. Style logo? They try to sneak it in there. I do like how it's kind of bubbled out though. Cool little design detail there. No Bape on the midsole. And instead of Vapester on the tongue, they got KCPA. And there it goes on the heel tab, whatever that means.
Okay.
They even got it down to the insole. You know, these shoes are like, if I had a shoe brand and had designs influenced by Bape, these would be those shoes. For sure, wearable. And kind of stylish. Can't lie about that. Not too sure how long they'll last. But at the end of the day, are these Bape?
This whole thing is weird and fun.
Yeah, it is really.
Well, there's Kim.
Yeah, well, hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, finally.
I think I remember what this is. Yeah, man, I couldn't believe they had something like this.
Why?
I'm thinking they were trying to go for the camo on college or camo box ape head tee, but we got this. We in a kitchen, pot on the stove. Looks like, I'm guessing, milk and Chocolate Ape, maybe some chocolate milk.
That just makes no fucking sense. I mean, it's just bullshit.
But that screen print is kind of solid. Hey, maybe it's part of the Bape Valentine's collection. Yeah, well, there goes this tee. Probably the worst one I've seen entirely during the series. But it's definitely wearable. Is it Bape? You know how we gotta end it.
Stay with me.
Let's hold on.
So, Aliexpress, separate shark hoodie. Let's take a good look at it here. Okay. And Bape separate shark that dropped about 3 weeks ago. Garbage. I'm just playing. You know, color is but design closer. Including the alignment of the shark face, because if you remember Amazon, WGM is closer as well. I mean, you can see the black stitching that's not supposed to be there, but it is silky though. And the designs are just print. But you know what? It may be the best one so far. Which one you picking? Aliexpress, here is Amazon, and Temu.
It's so difficult to reflect on the darkest times in your life. But sometimes you gotta do that.
Well, there it is, guys. Aliexpress. Where am I going to put this? The tee was probably the worst Bape I've ever seen. But the sneakers and sorta the hoodie was better. So yeah. What y'all guys think? And ratings will probably change as we do more of these. Hope y'all guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!